Okay, hey, over here, I have yet another interesting question from one of my viewers. I suppose it's a gentleman from South Africa. Okay, so here we go. Let me answer that. The short answer is no. No, official AliExpress has no connection, let alone working hand in hand with the Messenger app or Telegram. Because there is no need for them to do so. They are a standalone, proper, trademark e-commerce shopping platform that provide you an opportunity in the context of being an affiliate marketer to partner them, to help them to market the products that they have for customers to shop on their shopping website. Next, their official communication channel with us as their affiliate marketer after you have successfully registered through their official link, which you can find them from the Google browser. Well, I have also done a very detailed tutorial in my video, which I already posted on my TikTok feed. You can check it out over there. And in that video, I demonstrated how you can get the link independently by yourself by searching on the Google website. And I demonstrated it on my laptop. So I believe it is clear enough, 3 simple steps to get you yourself registered with the official AliExpress. And back to the communication channel with the official AliExpress. Upon successful registration, you will receive the official email from them welcoming you, recognizing you now officially as their affiliate marketer. And thereafter, they will also send you regularly newsletter informing you what are the current trending products suggested to you to promote them, and also giving you special promotional code just for you alone, right? So that is their official communication with you at all times. In addition, should you need further support from the official AliExpress as an affiliate marketer, you can always start a chat with them or to email them, and they will come back to you with an official communication as well. Usually, when we will do that, when we encounter some issues while going about promoting the products, perhaps it's some technical issue, perhaps it's something to do with our account, issues along this line, whereby it is related to our business activities or related to anything to do with the official AliExpress matters. We can always drop them an email, right? Because they provide you in the dashboard itself. So you can go and navigate around the dashboard to find that feature, and you can always drop them an email highlighting your issues, and they will direct this to their respective department and come back again through email, giving you an official reply subsequently. So last but not least, I have to repeat, right, to emphasize to you one more time, if you are on the official AliExpress as a registered affiliate marketer with them, they will not use any form of communication other than email to directly communicate with you. And in the email itself, normally there is no human being name being identified. It's just an official business email. You know what I mean? Right? That means the email is representing the company as a whole. Right? There's no individual human being sort of being named to reach out to you, right? Personally, right? There is no such arrangement. All right. So I hope my explanation is clear enough for you. And moving forward, to support yourself and including other viewers that have a chance to watch this video, that they are concerned about whether they are registered with the wrong, or I call it a fake affiliate marketing business opportunities, right? How am I going to support you, right? Is number one, I frequently make short videos, especially in the educational angle, right? To talk about such kind of subject, as in using the internet to create multiple sources of income. So you can watch all these videos. It will definitely be helpful to increase your awareness level. Number two, regularly I conduct twice weekly, Monday and Thursday, my own TikTok live streaming. Again, you have a chance to come into my live stream and ask me questions, and you see me in person, eye to eye. So you will know whether am I genuine human being to support your understanding about matters about using the internet to create incomes. Thirdly, I also set up my own private chat group whereby in it I have put in lots of free resources, guides, training materials and such to help you with another channel to support you to gain a better understanding, to learn on your own, right? Using all these materials that I'm providing you for free so that you have a better, a deeper understanding, right? So that you can eventually start to create results on your own. And in it, I also welcome you to post your questions should you have any. So these are the 3 ways that currently I have set up to support anyone that are actually interested to learn, right? They are open, they have a great attitude, right? A great learning attitude, right? So I wish upon you that I will see you soon, especially in my live stream. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow me, right? So that you will not miss out any future video updates.